Everyone, long time no see. I do have a Temu haul and I do have a coupon code. It is fav45575. If you can enter that in the search bar on the website or in the app, I greatly appreciate it. It shows them that you guys are using my links, and then it allows them to continue to sponsor videos like this one. So this video is sponsored by Temu. So let's dive in and let me show you guys what I got this time. So I'm so ready for Halloween. This year has not been a great year for me, and Halloween brings me so much joy and happiness. So I'm so ready for Halloween. So that's what some of this stuff is. So I got these ghosts. I'm going to say it was like a $6.10 for these, and there were 30 pieces. And this is what I got in the first set. I like that there were mixed colors. And then I bought a second one. And I don't know why I thought there was some blue, but there was no blue, and I really wanted black, and I only ended up with one black. So I'm happy that I got two bags, because you can see like this one even has a lot more white. So I really love that this has more white, and this one has a lot of yellow, which is cool. I could definitely do like a pastel. And I love this green. Like this green is my favorite for Halloween, so love those. And then I got a case right here. This was $4.30. I think it's a great deal. Especially these cases are like, what, $2 now on Temu. So for $4.30, I thought this was an amazing deal. And you get gold, rose gold, like this darker gold, because it's more like pastel gold, and then silver. And then if you look, it's the same thing all the way down. So this is all like round beads that are probably like a 4mm. Then we have this one that is like diamond cut, some circles, we have some stars, we have hearts, and then these are like flat round ones. So really cool. Love that you can get the whole little set right there, ready, done, and completed. And then going on to dies. This one says happy birthday. So I thought that'd be really cool. I'm like, that's easy. I love basic simple cards. I just need to die cut this, lay a background to it, and then glue it onto a card. That's like perfect for me because I'm not a card maker. And then same thing with this one. It is all spiders and spider webs. So I thought the same thing for this, to do a card would be really cute. Again, just die cut it to the background and then make the card, or even using this as an ATC card background, because I feel like it is large enough for that as well. So I'll do a whole nother video once I cut these out and show you guys what I've done with them, because I think it'd be really helpful. Now in this shop, everything was like $6. Oh, this is Halloween words too. So we have Hocus Pocus, and then here is like the background piece. And then, oh, Trick or Treat right here. And then Happy Halloween. So I thought that was really cool. I love how like thin and dainty they are. I thought that was like really unique, because I don't have any word dies that are like this thin. So I loved that I found that one. This is so cool. I love that it's like a border edge. Again, I was thinking like perfect for an ATC card, because it will be tall enough. An ATC card is 2.5 by 3.5. So I can lay this either way to add like a border to it. So I thought that would be really fun. So we have some bones, we have some skulls, we have pumpkins, we have spiders, which would go great with the spider background if I wanted to mix those together. And then we have jack-o'-lanterns. Oh, wait, I think these lay on top of here. Yeah, doesn't that look like the same size? I think those might lay on top of each other. I'm going to have to try that. We'll have to see. I'll cut them out and see how that goes. And then we have bats up here, which I love using bats for Halloween. Bat skulls and ghosts and spiders. Love that. So that was really fun. And then this is like that spider background, but with bats. Like I said, I love bats. So this one, I'm going to do the same thing. Use it as a card. Use it as an ATC. So when I cut this out, I'll show you. It doesn't cut out the square shape. It's just like an infinity background. So you could cut this out and then like scoot it down and then like cut it out again and just have it kind of be like continuous, but it would be the same pattern. But yeah, I thought those were really cool. Don't worry, I'll leave a link down below to all of these products. I'll leave a link to the Temu website. I'll leave a link with my coupon code. If you guys can use that, I super appreciate that. It does help me out. So let me see what else I have over here. Now this one was a whole big old pack of dies. So this one I will probably get through half of it, and then I'll have to do the other half in another video because this video is already getting kind of long. So I'll show you guys what I have going on here. So for Christmas, I thought this one was really nice. It is a snowflake circle, and then this does come out. You can pop that out. So I was thinking, I think I have a Merry Christmas like circle stamp. So I was thinking about cutting this out in like a pearl white and then stamping the middle of it. I thought that would be really cute and then easy to lay on top of a card. I'd probably need like a 5x5 card or something. So again, I was just thinking like simple and easy card making that I can do. And this one was $3.02. Then I got more bats. Like I said, I love my bats. So this was $2.06. Butterflies. I'm always drawn to butterflies, dragonflies, bugs. I love all that stuff. So when I saw this one, excuse me, I thought it was really pretty that it comes with the layering pieces. Sorry. So each butterfly has its own little body, and then it has its own background, and then its own top layering piece. So I thought that was really nice. That was $3.54. This I feel like everybody should have in their stash. I feel like I have it in my stash. I just have no idea where it is right now because my stash is out of hand. I definitely need to destash. So it's just circle dies from small all the way up to large. So I thought this one was really nice to have and keep out where I can find it at all times. And it was only $1.60. Even if you're doing like a swap with somebody, I feel like this would be a great item to include as a free gift, especially for that price. That price is amazing. Again, I really want to do like my HTC cards again. I haven't done them in so long, and I need to find things that bring me joy. So I really want to do that. So $1.24, and it's just going to be a background layering piece that I think would be really nice for that. Then we have bricks over here, and they ended up sending me 2, and I only ordered 1. So I don't know if it's because I ordered so much that they gave me an extra, or if it was just a mistake that they were stuck together and gave me an extra. So I'm not sure about that. But I ended up with 2 of them, and this was $1.42 just for a brick background. I don't know why when I saw this I immediately thought like firefighter. I guess because our fire department is like a brick building, so I don't know why I immediately thought like firefighter, but I think it'd be a really cool background for that as well. Stamps. I love me some stamps. So this one right here just cuts out the edging and it does the stitching, but it does not cut out the middle. And I have one right now where it cuts out the centerpiece and it drives me nuts. So I love that this one does not cut out the center. And this one was $2.92 for that. This one, I just really wanted this tag. I loved the little tag. I thought it was really cute. I don't have anything that's like nice and round and bubbly in that size. And then of course you get the flower, so you can use these centerpieces on each flower. Or I was thinking to layer these together would be really cute. And then it does come with the stem and 1 leaf. So I thought that was really, 2 leaves actually. So I just thought that was really cute, and that was $2.85. So to go kind of with this circle, because I'm sure that some of them will work together. Oh, see, as you can see, they're about the same size. So I found this round stitch die, which I thought was really, really cute. So it's going to cut out the circle, but then just stitch the inner layer. I thought that was really cute, really nice. With this one, you can definitely use this also if you want to make it into a shaker. So same thing with this one, you can make it into a shaker. So that's going to be really nice. And this one was only $1.43, which I thought was a great deal, and that they paired together very well. This one, I just wanted the Lollipop. I just thought it screamed Nightmare Before Christmas to me. Definitely screamed Halloween at me. You can even use this for Christmas and make it be like a peppermint. So, you know, do the red and white would be really cute as well. So, yeah, I basically got it for the Lollipop. And then it does come with this bow right here. So, I'll have to cut it out and see if I love that bow or not. I haven't quite decided if I do or if I don't. And that one was only $2.76 for that set. Now, on this one, I thought was very cool. It is a house. And I don't think you could do any house. You could just do like a regular house and turn this into a card and be like, congratulations on your new home. I thought that would be really cute. Or you could do like a haunted house, a Christmas house, turn into like a gingerbread house. There's just so many different options with this house that I thought was really cute. And it's not too large. And you guys, I haven't recorded, I think, in like 3 weeks because life's been crazy. That I don't even know what happened to my ruler out here. I wish I would have thought about it beforehand so I can measure things for you guys. Oh, look, I think I found it. So, this house is like 4.5 inches, so really cute. Can definitely make a little card out of there. What is that, like 2 3/4? So yeah, gingerbread house, haunted house, all kinds of cute houses. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. I'm getting kind of long with it, so thank you guys for watching, and in another video I'll tell you about what's going on in life because I always keep you guys updated. But if you can please use my coupon code and my links, I greatly appreciate it. That way Temu can continue to send me some stuff. And then I do have the stack right here of dies that I still need to go through, so I'll do that. I do want to cut everything so I can see what it all looks like, so I'll definitely share that with you guys as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.